Today, we have an exclusive first look at the new iPhone 17. So, it's really not been long since the iPhone 16 released, and we're already getting plenty of information on the 17. But to be honest, it was exactly the same last year, and then a lot of the information turned out to be very accurate. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Big changes. The standard iPhone 17 models are getting a major update with a 120 Hz LTPO OLED display, a feature that many users have wanted for years. So like this video, hit the subscribe button now, and turn on the notifications for our future videos. iPhone 17, we've got the standard iPhone 17. With the iPhone 17, we will get a 6.1-inch Super Retina OLED display, which is going to be a 120 Hz LTPO display for the first time ever. It's coming with a resolution of 1179 x 2556 and protected by the next-gen ceramic shield. We also get a peak brightness of around 3000 nits. We get the new and improved Face ID sensor, which may allow Apple to shrink the size of the dynamic island, and then the selfie camera gets an upgrade to a new 24-megapixel selfie camera. Then, over on the rear, it's going to be another dual camera setup with a 48-megapixel primary and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide. It's powered by the A19 chipset and comes with 8 GB of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage. It's powered by a 3600 mAh battery with an upgrade to 45-watt fast charging. And it's going to come with 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC. It will, of course, ship with iOS 19, and it's expected to launch from around $850 in mid-September 2025. Overall, the iPhone 17 lineup is looking like an exciting release from the Apple. We finally get some big changes, especially with the non-pros upgrading to 120 Hz displays. Now, there's no doubt going to be a lot of focus being poured into Apple Intelligence over the next year, with Apple trying to capitalize on the power of their chipset, and the upgraded RAM to go with the Pro models is going to offer a lot more versatility. Now, of course, given its similarities with the predecessor, I don't think anyone with a 16 is going to be rushing for an upgrade. But for those of you with older iPhones or looking to get their first iPhone, then of course, it could be a great choice. There's still quite some time to go until the iPhone 17 official launches, but as we approach it, more and more information is going to come in, and I'm going to be sharing it as soon as update information comes out. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to Spec World channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the future updates. Best wishes, and take care, my friend. See you in the next video.